Learn Norwegian, can.
kunne,
Quick English Norwegian Guide. Welcome. Hey, good to have you here. Let's make Norwegian feel easy and a little bit funny today. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Today you'll master English, can, equals Norwegian.
kunne,
And its everyday form.
kan, jeg kan, du kan, han kan, hun kan, det kan, vi kan, dere kan, de kan.
Ready to power up your super ability verb? Your goal today. You'll get the core meaning, then lock it in with quick examples. Stay curious and speak out loud. Quick map. The base verb is
Kunne,
to be able to. In the present, Norwegians say
kan,
for example,
jeg kan,
equals I can. After
kan,
drop to say
jeg kan svømme,
not.
jeg kan å svømme.
Tiny joke. If you can say coffee, you
Kan,
say confidence. Funny mini dialogues. Listen, smile, and repeat the Norwegian parts. Your voice is your gym. You, I can do this.
jeg kan,
Coach, yes.
du kan,
Point at Alex.
han kan,
Carry the bag. Point at Ida.
hun kan,
Lead the meeting. About the robot.
det kan,
Wait until tomorrow. Team chant.
vi kan,
Finish early. To your group.
dere kan,
Sit here. Manager update.
de kan,
Join at noon. Call and response drill. Repeat after me, nice and bold. If your plant hears you, it levels up to can, base.
kunne,
I can swim.
jeg kan svømme,
You can help.
du kan hjelpe,
He can come.
han kan komme,
She can play.
hun kan spille,
It can work.
det kan fungere,
We can learn.
vi kan lære,
You all can start.
dere kan starte,
They can win.
de kan vinne.
Culture tip and tiny traps. Here's the fast lane to sounding natural. Tip.
Kan,
Covers ability and casual permission. Yes, you can, is.
ja, du kan,
Negation adds.
ikke, jeg kan ikke,
And after.
kan,
Skip the to.
vi kan lære,
Not, vi kan lir. Viking simple, Viking strong. Lightning quiz. Answer out loud. If your answer scares the cat, it still counts. How do you say can in Norwegian? Answer.
kunne,
Base, and.
kan,
Present. Say, we can.
vi kan,
Say, she can.
hun kan,
Talking to a group. You can, equals.
dere kan,
Start, it can be true, with.
det kan,
Translate, they can help.
de kan hjelpe,
Final challenge. Complete the lines, own the rhythm, own the phrase. I can focus, say.
jeg kan,
Focusere. You can do it.
du kan,
Clear debt. Point at him.
han kan,
Prove. Cheer for her.
hun kan,
Vin. About the plan.
det kan,
Funger. Together.
vi kan,
Full for. To your friends.
dere kan,
Start na. Update the team.
de kan.
Comb Sanair. Wrap up. You did great, tiny wins add up fast. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Kunne,
With.
jeg kan, du kan, han kan, hun kan, det kan, vi kan, dere kan, de kan.
For more lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.